Welcome to day 20. We've hit our fourth major milestone, and today it's all about precision.
But to get there, we've got to solve a pretty common rotation problem first. You remember the servo from day 7, right? It was awesome for hitting specific angles, but a standard DC motor, it just spins and spins with no real position control.
So what if you need both, like for the insane accuracy of a 3D printer? Well, the solution to this whole puzzle is the amazing stepper motor. It's got a geared rotor, some electromagnetic coils, and it's all run by a driver board.
And the best way to get how this works is with a fun little analogy. Okay, so just imagine the rotor inside the motor is, well, it's a donkey. Now, those electromagnetic coils, they're like people standing in a circle around the donkey. And the driver board tells each person, one by one, to hold out a carrot. So our donkey gets pulled forward, taking one single precise step toward that carrot.
This all sounds cool, but just how precise is one of these steps anyway?
Get ready for this. It's a mind-blowing 2,048 steps. That's how many it takes to make just one single 360-degree rotation.
Wow.
This level of control means we can command exact rotations and hold a position perfectly. Bottom line, we can now move with absolute precision.
Tomorrow on day 21, we're going to add a layer of security by reading RFID key cards.